Young money, we the greatest. Young money, we the greatest.
Baby.
Oh yeah, come on, we about to take it back to New Orleans.
Business, no love to the competition. It's all business, no love to the competition. It's all business, no love to the competition. Let that chopper hit him, sit him down, swap his spirit. Die now, I'ma think about it later. I'ma think about it never. All I think about is paper. I draw first, that's that quick animation. The smell that stench, you just think sanitation. I'm right here, nigga, fuck the location. Cause too much information could get you that vacation. Tell the cops I say fuck the allegations. Got work in the trunk with no conversation. One for the earth, one for the hill.
My mind was blank. I needed time to think, to get the memories from my mind. What did I see? Can I believe that what I saw that night was real and not just fantasy? Just what I saw in my old dreams were the reflections of my Walkman staring back at me. 'Cause in my dreams, it's always there, the evil face that twists my mind and brings me to despair.
That's more like
Street Homies.
Yeah, this that rock with me music, pop with me music. Baby, come to my bed and fuck with me Fucking with me, lose your life, I would like to prove it, but that's why I got gooned. Ever since a junior, I've been on that bullshit. You know, like a fireplace, that's how hot it would get. So Santa, come your ass down the chimney. Behind my kids, I leave your gift bag empty. Riff-raff plenty, yeah, that's what y'all do. I got 2 Tech 9s, should I text or call you? Motherfucker, I kill all you. Put the pump to your ear and pump up the volume. Knock out a tall dude, bear hug a fat boy. I fuck the teacher and stomp on a frat boy. I don't believe in preachers and I never been a choir boy, but my pockets do get high notes like Mariah, boy. Yeah, I keep my angel low like Maya, boy. Then I pull it out and give you wings, watch me fly, boy. Used to be a hot boy, now I'm a fire boy. I'm talking fire like rubbing corduroy. Oops, I meant corduroy, Carter boy. Stuntin' like my father boy, flow like water boy. Even though I got a voice like your boy on water boy, they pay a ton like my first name is Walter boy. Sweetness, but see you rather salty boy. But I put that pep in your step like Walter boy. Church, and Weezy F's the outer boy. And yes, I am a dog, now watch me catapult boy. Yeah, I'm extra ultra, yes, a voucher. Catch you walking, extra talking to the morgue. My extra cough is high. Yeah, I'm hyped like my wife made extra coffee. Me and my wife be A-OK, I'm trying to shake them X's off me. What it is, I'm back on my biz, and I put that on the threads on the back of my kids. May that M11 be attached to my ribs, and the bullets that I give be attached to his. I'm back, motherfucker, I'm that motherfucker. Besides Barack, I'm one hell of a black motherfucker. You dig? Fuck every fish in the river. Hop off my love boat, fuck every fish in the river, nigga. Yeah, when you in that trunk, do you quiver, nigga? Cut the music up so we can't hear the nigga. And then we burn the car with the nigga. Burn them so bad they can't tell if it is a nigga. Leave your body looking like a lizard, nigga. My mo is chef, do you wanna be for dinner, nigga? I'm at the finish like, what's up with these beginner niggas? I'm a winner, nigga, but now and then a nigga. Shout out to Nas for helping me tap into my inner nigga. And nigga or not, we are all sinners, nigga. So please forgive me if I have to kill a nigga.
I don't care who first or who last. I just know y'all better rock this at the drop of a dime, baby. I don't care what y'all say or what y'all do, but you got to be finished before the music is through.
I don't think y'all heard me, hold on. So here we go now, it be the midnight Marauder on the scene. Geographically earthed in a place called Queens. I was formed with my principles, way I displayed when I used to cool out while all the other kids played. Cause I was way too ill, I would hone my skill. Go out in the park and let my chemicals spill. Right there on Farmers Boulevard, I made my mark. 2 dudes, brothers would dip from was me and the Knox. And then my legend would grow on the A-train line, where rappers would gather to see me blowing nicks and dimes. It was me, Big Pete, Tanya, and Sa'abu in the heat of the cypher. I was not liable for all the casualties of the dirty MCs. I split the train car like Moses did the Red Sea. Get it in your head, we gon' rock the dead. Night of the living MCs, the weak ones fled. Come on, buzz.
Yeah, God body wise intelligence. Smack niggas and wrestle with elephants. My beloved, respect my benevolence. Coming like missiles, the issue is this be the shit you can't rebel against. Then I sniff out you niggas that be hiding in bushes. What's up? And strangle niggas like poisonous octopuses. Shut the fuck up. Back with hazardous weathers and blizzards as I spit. Sticking out my tongue like an iguana lizard at you corny niggas. Animal Planet rap wildlife. Stabbing you in your back wild nights. While I hunt and eat you niggas like food, leaving you bleeding. Beats. Rattle the speakers like some buffalo stampeding. If you don't understand what I'm saying, lyrically I'm like goons accidentally beating you like gorillas playing. Just know when I spit I be seducing them. Countless money with diamonds that's buried in Jerusalem. The Renaissance.
Hey yo, squeezing Johnny Walker neck up in the benzo freezing. The heck long cock block pumping is easy. Poison metals on my neck, wrists, and arms. Louis luggage is bronze, a big bag of D, happy Quans. Together we the shy lights, a twist of the OJs. One line from Miss, I have you leaning like road spray. Poison up on Hoyt Street, my boys in. This is our choice, Brooklyn, Shallon, Wallin, and them Royces. Old gold at the Golden Globes, my robe hitting the cement. Chef in the building, yup, and he bent 1,001 goons at the room by certified clients. Drug money and something up, giants. Yo, it's the Tarzan, cocaine clan in the area. Gorillas and Louis hats, the more the merrier. Take mines, take 109s. We be running out of rhymes. Never bullets, try to front you minds. Renaissance.
I blow out. Let me spaz, let me spaz. Though they call me Weezy F, you gon' let me pass. So ahead of my time with my next week ass. Money on the dinner table like let's eat cash. And I do it for the killers and the $100 billers. And from now on, I don't think you should stunt without $1 million in the bank. I got money in the bank to throw your hands in the air if your pussy don't stink. You got a bullet in the shank, I got a bullet in the tank. I got fur in my boots and a hoodie on the mink. Stop sweating me, you should follow me, I'm directing it. Other fools break it down, I'll be dissecting it. Ever since I made it up out of middle America, everybody wanna be in my genital area. But you better stay away from my chemical barrier. Weezy baby, straight out the cesarean.
What's it called, man?
Oh yeah, Renaissance rap.